Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani, and we're back with another hairstyle. Thank you.
I cut it for both of us.
For both of us. You did such a nice job. Anyways, we're not here to praising ourselves. We're here to react to another Instagram.
Today's video, we're gonna be rating Julia Barretto's Instagram. Yes.
Finally.
Right? Yes.
Finally. Enough this comment.
So that people are gonna shut up now. And we're finally doing Julia Barretto because all the requests are so many.
So many.
Before we begin, you guys know the drill. Please subscribe. Smack that subscribe button
like
down below.
Like a crazy hamster.
Shoutouts! Let's do shoutouts.
We are back in the game with shoutouts. So
first shout out to Jack Hiley.
Second is to Vivienne Arihuela.
Arali Pune.
Michiko Manalotto.
Again, last announcement. Please subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey Julia, welcome to our channel. Come in, don't be shy.
This is my Instagram. Follow me there as well. Check out the link down below.
Scroll it.
Fabio's Instagram's down there as well. Check it out.
So let's get right into it. Wow, Yani is such a nice Instagram page. I wonder who took the last 3 pictures. He didn't photocredit me. He didn't. Julia Barretto. So let's see how many subscribers you think, followers.
I want to say 2 million.
She's so popular. She's so popular in our YouTube channel that I think she's gonna have at least 4. She has 5.9. I won. I'm the closest.
Technically 6 million. Oh my god, this is
wow.
This Instagram page is crazy. Look at those photos already.
They are phenomenal.
My body
I don't know
is
who's
not
the
ready.
photographer, but I'm sure she tagged them because she's not like you.
My body is not ready for this.
Wow.
48 of my friends follow her. My body is not ready. Look at the first 3 photos.
Wow. And caption says
Julia. That's it.
Simple.
That's it. She don't need nobody else.
She's like, they know me. I'm Julia. They know me. I don't need no presentation.
Yes. No, I'm gonna follow her right now because I actually love her.
Let's see this very first picture.
I'm scared. I'm genuinely scared. I don't know why, but I'm actually genuinely scared because
beautiful.
She looks so beautiful. Okay, anyway.
First
photo.
Wow.
Done. My body's not ready. My soul just left my body.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh, you know what? The Barrettos.
Yeah.
The Barrettos in my country are all actors and actresses, and they are all gorgeous too.
Wow.
Like she is
she definitely is.
Yeah, I think she's the daughter of one of the Barrettos.
Wow.
I don't know which one.
Well, for sure she's the daughter of one of the Barrettos because that's her last name. But anyways, that dress and the lipstick are
red.
So red. I love it.
It's
and that pose, she's like, she just laid down a wall. She's like, oh, tired. Perfect.
You're so gay. The photo is almost trying to be sexy, but it's not really slutty sexy. It's like beautiful sexy. It's not even sexy. It's beautiful. You guys did not prepare us for this. You should have let us know beforehand how gorgeous she is. This is not
I thought about it because in the comments there were so many.
She has a ponytail, so she's probably doing some Ariana Grande.
Yep.
And you know I have to sing, right?
No, you don't have to sing. No, you don't have to. We lost subscribers for that.
No, it's okay.
Hundreds of you left the channel.
Right now,
Enough. Enough. Let's move on to the next picture because my lasagna is getting.
Wow. Wait, I'm analyzing this photo. I'm so confused.
Cool.
I'm analyzing the photo. That is
very nice.
So cool.
Very artistic.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, cool.
That's so creative. But I'm analyzing this photo. Is she like, where's her left leg?
It's probably crossed. She's twisted.
Oh, she's so gorgeous. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
I'm not ready.
Anyways.
Yes. You better show that skinny arm, girl, because that arm is skinny.
Pretty. That face is gorgeous.
Look at that nose contour. Can she breathe?
Yeah, I know.
Can she still breathe?
She has only one hole.
The nose contour, she can't breathe.
Wow.
Yes.
This is my favorite shot out of the 3.
Easy, breezy, beautiful.
Yeah.
Covered.
Very cute. Very cute.
There's a video.
Okay.
1 million views.
Happy birthday, my love. My heart is yours. That's what she says. Oh my god, what did you do to me?
That's so cute.
Oh my god. Oh!
Oh, they went to go see the snow. Where is that? Which country is that? Oh, cute.
So cute.
It's cute or whatever.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, videography, Yani. Where's your videography here?
This is ABS-CBN Ball.
Wow.
Where we reacted to her. Remember
Yeah.
her dress?
Yeah, yeah.
That was so perfect, her dress. Oh my god, I can't stop. I'm just gonna go
Wow.
next after next picture because
Wow.
this girl is amazing.
This is a beautiful shot. She's perfect. No double chin whatsoever. If I do that pose, whew,
You'll get double
you don't
chin.
want to see that.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's showing some cleavage. I'm not
That
ready. Dress.
It's hanging on by these two tiny strings. I'm like, oh my
It's
goodness.
scary. I know.
It's scary.
This look. She made me straight. I'm straight now.
I think there's no hope for you.
I'm straight now.
Those 3 diamonds here
Wow.
is beautiful.
She must have put like a double-sided
That's
tape
true.
on the dress because
Oh, for
otherwise
sure.
it would be like
For
nip
sure.
slip. But oh my gosh, she's gorgeous, beautiful. She has a button nose.
Wow.
Yes.
Mirror shots. Those are
Speechless.
always very nice.
And I love. Look at her hair. I love what she did.
Yeah.
It's just like a very casual. She just
Yeah.
put it in a low bun.
Wow.
Wow.
Also the choker is beautiful.
The choker is beautiful.
I'm not a big fan of chokers, but this one is very good.
She has long neck. That's why she can
oh,
rock
that's
chokers.
why,
yeah.
Walk. Oh, better
I think
walk.
this is
Don't be a boomerang.
slow mo.
Oh,
Hit it!
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about.
yes.
Okay, now.
I love her Instagram.
Hit it, boys.
Oh, damn.
I love her Instagram.
Boom, boom.
My
boom,
God, look at the
boom.
backless.
Wow, she's so confident.
Oh my God.
I want to walk like that.
Her legs are shiny, like they put olive oil or something on her leg.
Yeah, she's so hydrated. She stopped the elevator doors.
Oh, that's it. Oh, look at the figure.
Cute.
Look
Yeah.
at the hips.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous.
she's a beautiful. Wow.
Look at that stomach. Bitch, where's the stomach fat?
It's gone. She left it somewhere else.
Like it's non-existent.
No.
Oh my gosh, look at that body.
Wow.
Body yaddy yaddy.
Seriously, this Instagram is so.
This Instagram is, I love this
Amazing.
Instagram. It's one of the
Yeah.
best that we've reacted
Yeah.
to.
Actually, it is the best.
It's the best.
It is the best.
Her and Nadine Lustre and My are the best that we've
Yeah.
reacted to. I
Yeah, for
love
sure.
her Instagram. Is that her?
Damn.
Look at the face.
Damn.
She could pass as like an Eastern European look
Totally.
or something.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if she's full Filipino.
Yes.
Wow, she look like a ballerina here somehow.
Look at that face.
Yeah. Damn, she's skinny.
You know who she reminds me of? Bad Barbie, or the Barbie, whatever. Like the
Oh.
one who said like, "Cash me outside. How about that?"
Oh my god, that one.
right now.
No,
I
she's
don't
watching the
stand
number of
more.
subscribers that go up on her profile. Only 6 million.
Look at her. She's a badass girl here. She's not wearing no
Yeah.
dress, no heels, no lipstick. Well,
Love
maybe
it.
some lipstick.
Tank top, very military looking.
Love it. Combat boots.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
that's the biggest roast I've ever seen. Is that
It
even
is
a roast?
huge.
That's huge. This is how to end a night. Oh.
Our usually ends with poutine,
Well,
but that's
yeah.
okay. French fries, but
Yeah,
that's okay.
we eat French
Same
fries
thing.
and everything. Yeah, we end with food. Wow.
Whoa. She's wearing contact lens in this one, right?
She'd been
Yeah.
wearing contact lenses in the previous photo. You didn't notice?
No, I didn't notice.
This video is full of us saying, "Wow." That's all we've been saying in this video.
I love red. I love red.
Wow, look at that face.
Short hair. It looks like she's rocking.
That's a different hair look.
Wow. She looks good even in
See,
like
I know. See how it changes her look. Oh my god.
looks more mature.
I wonder if she has a mega photo shoot too. Maybe we'll see it. Oh, that's such
very
a
cute, very cute.
Twiggy.
Yeah.
Look, Twiggy super fashion, high fashion
Yeah,
Twiggy look.
50s.
Or Coco
50s.
Chanel. Oh,
I
she's
love
so-
all her pictures.
I
There's
love
not
all
one
pictures.
pictures that I don't
This
like.
is so angelic. She's just like chilling with like,
What is she saying in the caption?
sorry, di ko nakapigilan mahalin ka kahit. I'm sorry, I can't stop loving you even though my heart's telling me love someone else.
Wow.
Look at the color tone. It's like ivory.
It's very nude,
Light
very
nude.
sandy.
I would slap him if he bites my outfit. I love my clothes too much. I don't.
Let's recreate.
No.
I'm hungry.
Look, she's vacationing Hawaii.
I've never been to Hawaii. I wanna be there.
I keep on looking her body. Look at this body.
Yeah, it's so perfect.
That's
That's a body.
how.
2 arms.
That's how. Like how? That's not fair. Oh, look at these photos.
My goodness.
I wonder if she
she's
has
so
a personal
pretty.
professional photographer just to take pictures of her Instagram.
I'm not sure.
Just to take photos for her
I think
Instagram.
if she takes a selfie, it will just turn out like that.
I don't think this is a iPhone camera. I think this is a DSLR camera.
It's probably Vivo.
No, it's probably like one of her magazines or something. I can't even make jokes. We can't even make jokes about this girl in this video. I wish we could
something.
I wish we could make funny jokes about this girl for you guys to make you guys laugh, but we're not even trying anymore because what can we say bad about this
my
girl?
gosh.
She's so perfect.
I want to see the Metro cover.
She's perfection. Oh, my
damn.
god, look at that.
Oh.
She's more mature here. They just added black,
She's
darker
like-
eyeshadow.
As my man.
I know.
Don't
right?
touch.
Don't touch. I love this photo.
Disney, she could kill you. Weapons.
She's looking a little tanner too. I
Yeah.
love this photo.
I think also the contact lens she's using, it's such a perfect color. They don't look fake at all.
What is she drinking? Is that all
Iced
she drinks?
coffee. I'm sure it's iced coffee.
Is that what she drinks to be skinny?
Just iced coffee.
Like to be skinny like that, I would drink whatever she drinks. This is
Glow.
This is witchcraft. I don't want her. I don't believe this.
She's like,
This
today I'm posing for this bone right here.
This is witchcraft, you guys. I don't like this.
Capture this.
Look at this. This is witchcraft.
Of course, bench.
Model.
Why are you not a bench model?
Not yet. My god, bitch, she has abs.
Damn. Damn.
I don't understand the question.
I don't even think she's trying
I
to
don't-
flex it. She's like, I'm so relaxed right now. No, it's not. I'm sure she's just like that.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Joking.
Yes.
You're joking.
Yes, queen. Ma.
Oh.
Slay, ma. Slay.
Oh.
Okay, you better give us that stare.
Oh.
I'm straight. I told you, I'm straight now.
You saw abs.
Oh my god, Avatar.
Wow.
Okay, let's see some magazine shoots. Oh, I love it. Gray, black,
Love it.
heels, businesswoman attire. Love it.
Oh.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Nice
she just,
style, this one with the flower.
She just aged like 5 times here. I love it.
She's so versatile too.
She's wearing pajamas.
Oh, that's a
yeah,
cute.
pajamas. Look at her endorsing
She's like,
the phone.
that's how I go to bed.
I know, right? It's probably Gucci or Chanel or something.
I know.
Oh, this is how she works out. This is
Let's
why.
see. Let's see what she does.
Boomerang.
There we go. Boomerang.
She has a
She
personal
does that
trainer.
all the time for an hour and a half.
I know. I think she should apply for high fashion agencies outside Philippines because she could pass. Look at this. Look at all these Polaroids. Oh, look at that face.
That's how I look in the mirror when I feel myself. I'm like, who's driving with a chicken?
Why do they have chicken?
Sa mama mo. Goldie! Aba, hindi ganyan tinuturo namin sa'yo.
I'm scared. I don't like chickens.
That's hilarious.
No, no.
What's your explanation?
No,
They're
ma'am.
hilarious.
No,
I
ma'am.
wanna be friend with them.
Jollibee.
Oh, when are we going to Jollibee? again?
Ba-ba-ra-ba-ba.
Wrong one. When are we going to Jollibee?
We need to go to Jollibee again. Oh my god, look at this. Is that her? She's not. That's not her.
You are so beautiful.
That's Claudia.
Barretto.
Is that her cousin maybe or sister? I'm so obsessed with her.
Boomerang. This is probably the only boomerang I like because her
Obsessed.
hair is so nourished and beautiful.
Oh, there's the mega photo shoot. That's not her.
Oh.
That's not her. Is that her? Aw, she's still young here. This was posted
Wow.
last year. Cute! Final thoughts, Fabio.
Oh my goodness, that's an Instagram account. That's so beautiful.
I think so.
I think it's my very favorite so far, and I definitely wanna know more about her. So if you want part 2, comment down below, let us know because I'll be happy to do that.
Yes, we love her. She's one of my favorites now, or if not, she's the top Instagrams I've ever seen.
To
in a
me, she
while.
is. To me, she is. And that video about the chicken made me laugh so much.
And I just think that she has a personal photographer that she hires to come into her house once in a while to do a photo shoot, just to post pictures, nice pictures, professional pictures on her Instagram.
No, I think she just works
Love
and
it.
she takes pictures there.
She's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Like, she just wakes up like that. And I would like a YouTube tutorial on how to get abs like that.
Please show us your workout, because that will be amazing.
She's cute.
Definitely you don't need lasagna. That's
I
one
know.
thing. But I'm cooking it tonight, so.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye!
Subscribe!